Hey everyone, it's Trenice from TKO Taxes and welcome to day 11 of Taxmas. Now, in a previous video, we talked about a report that needs to be filed called the Beneficial Ownership Information Report. But today, I want to talk about another report that is required by New York State LLCs and corporations that is often forgotten and even looked over. That report is called the Biannual Report. So what is the Biannual Report? Well, the biannual report is a report that is required for New York State LLCs and corporations to file every 2 years in order for them to stay in compliance and in good standing with the state. The report itself can be filed online using the New York State's e-filing system Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. through 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the due date for the report every 2 years is the calendar month in which your business was open. Now, if you've never filed the report and you're filing it for the first time, you can go ahead and do so. And then the next time that you file it, which would be 2 years from now, you would just file it in the calendar month of when your business was actually open. Now, when you file the report online, you are going to need to have the entity name written exactly as it is in the business paperwork, as well as the DOS number, which you can find on the Department of State's Corporation and Business Entity Database, which I'll leave a link down below in the very first comment of this video. Now, although there is a $9 filing fee every other year that you file the report, there are no fees and penalties for you never filing the report. The only thing is, by not filing the report, you are not in compliance with the state, and you do reflect in the state's database as past due status. This can totally hinder a lot of business transactions, especially when your business is looked up and it shows that your business is in a past due status with the New York State. And to add to that, if you were doing a business transaction and a status certificate was requested from the state, any status certificate that gets sent out through the state would reflect a past due status if the biannual report was not filed. Now, if for whatever reason you cannot file the report online, you can always request a paper form, and that could be done through phone, fax, or email. And again, I'll leave a link down below in the very first comment of this video to the Department of State's website. So you're going to want to make sure that you stay in compliance and also in an active state when it comes to New York State, because you never know when you're going to need to have a certificate of status for whatever business transaction that you're completing. And that's pretty much the basics of the biannual report. For more information, you can check out the Department of State's website. And again, of course, I'll leave that link below in the very first comment of this video. Again, my name is Trenice from TKO Taxes. Check out TKOTaxes.org, and we'll see you in the final tip of Taxmas. Tip number 12 is we continue TKO Taxes 12 Days of Taxmas.